Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the Sweeby Baby Playpen, a game changer for parents seeking convenience and safety. This 59 by 59-inch foldable playpen is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, offering true portability with its full-body folding feature, making it easy to carry and pack without any hassle. Moms love its spacious yet portable design, with a sturdy structure supported by steel pipes and 360-degree mesh visibility, ensuring your little one is safe and secure. Crafted from cationic blended fabric, this playpen is not only soft and durable but also dirt-resistant, providing a baby-friendly environment that surpasses traditional Oxford cloth fences. With a height of 27 inches and no gaps, it prevents your child from escaping, falling, or getting stuck, offering peace of mind to every parent. Plus, the Sweeby Baby Playpen is made from recycled materials, is BPA-free, non-toxic, and meets all applicable safety standards, ensuring your baby is protected from low-quality products. Experience the perfect blend of safety, convenience, and eco-friendliness with the Sweeby Baby Playpen, and give your child a safe space to play and explore. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.